Hello guys, this is my first video of Animal Jam, and today we are going for the epic plush hunt. And it says on the news, let's read the instructions. Epic plushie scavenger hunt. Cute, cuddly, and covered. Items have been hidden around of the lands of Jama, and it's up to you to find all 8 for a limited time. The epic plushie scavenger hunt is here. Uncover these adorable pals by finding where they are hidden and bring them home to your den today. Okay, I will do it. Okay, first let's go to Jama. Oh, that is so cute! A panda! Now, let's go to the Temple of Zoe's. Okay, so as you can see, there is the flower code, and also you can here is the flower codes that you get to the right color. One pink, one purple, one blue, and one yellow. If you get that code right, you will go to Jama. Now there's no plushies in Zoe's, but we'll go to Crystal Zan's to find the plushies. Whoa! I go down the slide. I can see there's no plushies, but if I go in Mountain Shiver, you don't jump on the ice because there's a caution sign and you can't jump on it. Oh, there's a little penguin! Oh my god! Now we'll go to Serpia Forest, and here is, whoops, I went to the future by accident. And here's the epic wolf plushie that looks so evil, and you go in the coral canyons, and everybody is here. They're doing a dance lineup, I guess. And look. An epic fox plushie. Epic plushie animals we're into a spawn egg and back into the animal. Here's some candles, more candles, and more candles, and you can see, oh, that one is an epic bunny plushie. That is so adorable. And excuse me. And you can go to Balush. That is the saddest cry place. I don't know where to go, but it's because that is accidentally the truth. So, I don't see a plushie. Let's go to the other side. And No plushie on the roof. Or on this roof. And warning, if you break through this window with your hooves, Animal Jam will cause you trouble. Ouch! But, warning, you don't laugh. I'm laughing. Oh. Ah! Snake! Get out here, snake! Now let's go to the Kimbara Outback, and you can see, oh, there is the draft plushie I bought, but there is one place to go. Okay. I don't know where there will be plushies, but we got to find out. I looked every place, and I don't know where. Where are those plushies? Tiptoe for the plushies. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Be very careful. Oh! There's a white hamster! But it's moving its paws. That's not a plushie. That's a real-life pet. I have been so many things. That is too much. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. And I want to have 10,000 subscribers. I mean, 1,000 subscribers, okay? Okay, bye-bye.